Yeah, you're good.
It's gonna be like every obstacle we come to.
A little bit.
Yeah.
Not much.
Can jump, I think.
I wouldn't like try to clear this gap. But
No. Especially because the trail turns.
Yeah.
There's rocks and it's muddy.
yeah,
That would be fucking impossible.
I would a little bit though.
Oh, I'm scared I'm gonna bottom out, but I guess I got plenty of room.
I guess so.
Over these things.
Yeah.
I mean, this is just dirt though, so if I do bottom out, as long as we can get out, it's okay. Ooh, should we go this way?
Yeah, you can if you want.
Oh yeah, I think we should.
You'll probably want 4-wheel drive
Yeah,
though.
I think I would, just cause, like, I don't want to slide and
So,
bend around.
here, I'll
I
guide
got
you.
it. Get in. I want to try it.
I want to see it from the outside though.
Okay. To hit the intermediate trail. Yeah, you're bottom out. I don't want to bottom out. That had to have been
You want me to watch in the next one you do? Or?
full. Yeah, watch
Like
on this one just to see. I don't know if this one's as bad. That might not be as bad.
Lockers. I think you got it.
What's the best way to attack this?
Basically
More to the right,
put
or
your
go straight over as far
front-
left as I can.
front tire basically almost straight, so I'll guide you. And then come little drivers.
How close am I on these rocks though?
You're not close. There you go. Keep coming.
You can hit all the water. I just didn't know how deep it was last time.
Yeah.
Clean her out. Yeah, dude, I am not washing this. Why? Got me saying that. I feel like it's
Fucking easy. Why? I'm
saying that I'm not gonna wash it. Yeah.
That was probably toolbox. Or the jack.
It's probably the jack. Toolbox should move. It should just fall over. Yeah. And then same thing with this rod from.
cigarette.
You
Yeah,
can either
hit it
do
with
what
this
Brian
side.
did or just go left and avoid the rock.
I think I did pretty good driving then, Wyatt. That's the only time I've ever done any like legit off-road.
Rock crawling.
Yeah, in a car.
This is what I want to be doing a lot of. Like you do a lot of racing and autocrossing. Just, yeah.
That makes sense. I think I need.
I had it in 4-wheel, but try without it.
You don't need 4-wheel drive, but
Try it. Just don't stop. Just keep going at this speed. It's okay if you go a little faster or slower.
just not.
No 4-wheel drive for Peter.
No boy.
Yeah, just be careful with the slower the better. Ooh, see, how come we didn't hit that last time? I feel like we did. Ask him. He remembers going to Dickie and I kept getting stuck at the same rock.
Very pretty Jeep. Take care. Hey, we're gonna go up that way. Take care.
That would have been fun to follow, but I wanted to do
Yeah.
something different. I didn't want to
Kind of explore what you already haven't done.
We'll come back to that too.
Okay. Maybe we'll catch up to them again.
Yeah, we probably will. I mean, this place isn't that big. Shit, I didn't see this hole. Can we make it through this?
Try to go as far driver as you can and probably
This
roll
way?
up the drivers.
Yeah.
I'm just gonna roll back into it. That way.
Try to have the middle in the middle as best as you can.
It's gonna slide down.
It's stuff.
4-wheel low.
Yeah.
Probably.
I don't know if it's in it or not.
Why don't you put it in first or something?
What did it
I
do?
think it has to be in low.
Mm.
It's just beeping. Shit.
Try to go as driver as you can. Try to make this rut and on the middle if you can.
I mean, there's nothing else I could do there.
Yeah.
It was falling in if it was falling in. Hopefully we
that,
just didn't
yeah.
break any.
Damn. Whip it, dude.
You got it.
It's the only way.
Hopefully we didn't break anything.
Not yet.
That's pretty good.
Shit, dude.
Holy.
Maybe we should have followed the other group.
There are people behind us though. Nice.
Should we look at it really quick, make sure nothing's broken?
I can go hop out and look if you want me
I
to.
feel like we're just.
I don't think
What
anything's
is all
really
that
hurt.
beeping? Something about.
I don't think there's
foil.
anything to worry about.
You don't think we broke anything? It just feels gooey. I don't know.
That's probably just the aired down tires.
I hope so. We hit hard.
Yeah. Yeah.
You got it on video, right?
Yeah.
Alright.
So when the insurance asks, we have proof.
Wasn't our fault.
Hey, if you want to pull up to the right up there after the next dip and look at it, we can do that. That way there's room for the guys behind us to pass.
Where at? Up here?
Right here.
Right here?
Yeah, on the right. Right here would be good.
Watch all these rocks.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah, right there.
Why is it?
And then we can look at the your new paint job. Woo!
Not gonna wash it, huh?
You dragged your diff and caught some mud, but it looks pretty good.
Yeah, it was. okay with that.
Yeah, it wasn't bad at all.
Yeah, because it's kind of soft.
Yeah, you just kind of bounce.
It's softer than the rocks.
Bouncing off the frame rail is better than slamming your diff or transfer case or something.
The biggest thing is the oil pan, like you said,
Yeah.
like, and the diff, but really the oil pan. This is slippery right here.
Yeah.
This is some slippery shit. This is really shit, dude.
This thing's doing better than I thought it would.
These people, these tires are doing better than I thought they would. Honestly.
It could be not that much.
They're probably just from slinging
So
all
that is.
mud around.
Did you say that is the new JL?
Brand
Sorry,
new.
you fucking got it built up.
Yeah.
I bet that one guy can barely fit in between these.
Yeah.
There was one with huge.
Yeah, it's getting tight. I don't know why it's so close off.
I mean, if you're much wider than this, you probably can't make it on the trail anyway.
Probably.
So, like that guy's tires are really close to that corner.
Yeah.
The corner sticks out.
These people have hit it before both ways. That must just be a huge bubble. Because it looks like you can go that way too.
Yeah.
I'm still in two-wheel drive right now.
I would have. I'll probably wait before the
Yeah,
crest.
yeah.
Yeah, definitely edit out this audio.
Rocks.
Well,
Stay to the right.
ooh, he's sliding on them too.
Oh, holy. Yeah, don't do that. Stay to the right.
Oh, he went over the hard part.
Yeah.
I got you.
And slid down sideways. Not a good look.
Yeah, he was.
You want to stop right here and just kind of get a view of what the hole.
Yeah.
Yeah. Probably once you go down like 10 feet, get to the middle.
Like the line he took, basically.
Yeah.
There's some big rocks.
Yeah, I don't want to bottom out on those. You don't think I should go this way?
It's a big drop.
Just try to stay straight as you can without scraping
you
anything,
want a
I guess.
spotter?
I can
don't think
buy
it's
if
good.
you want me
Shouldn't I
to.
go over here?
But that's a bigger drop over
Yeah.
there.
But
Yep.
there's rocks sticking up in the middle of it.
You won't.
Bottom out. Or worse on the other part.
Oh.
That's what I was talking about.
Yeah.
They're right in the middle here, over there.
Yeah.
Well, we did it now. So.
Yeah. The Wrangler following us.
A couple of Jeeps that were behind us.
Not a built up at the one in front of us.
No way. Oh, hopefully it didn't hit anything too. Oh, that one's not good. Yeah, I know.
This is where I want to do bid and lift and tires.
You need
I
it.
don't disagree with you. I want to make it home at this point.
I think if you had 33s, it would be a lot
Yeah,
easier.
33s and
Level it.
4-inch lift.
I mean, even
Just
just.
need to get the center of the truck up off the ground.
33s would lift the truck an inch.
Yeah.
That would help a lot.
Yeah, I feel like we're right on the edge, you know?
Yeah.
Yeah, we're just capable enough.
You might want to invest in some skid
But
plates.
more is always better.
Skid plates and tires in the middle.
Whoa.
Probably stick to the right,
Why would
Or-
I stick to the right?
but we're not now.
Why would I have stuck to the right? I would have just hit that fucking rock.
And the tree.
I mean, you're driving, you pick the line you want to use, but
Well,
Really, I am. I'm trying to pick the line to do the least damage to the vehicle.
yeah.
Basically. Hopefully we hit bottom out on just the right part of the car.
yeah.
Thing.
Those guys behind us are probably entertained. Man, this would suck to take like a Ram 1500 through.
Yeah.
Huge.
It's just so big, wide, heavy, and long.
Just like my wiener.
No oil pressure light coming on. So. I mean, that's the only way we're gonna know if we crack it up.
I don't think you'd be able to make it back up that with these tires.
Up what?
The way we
Like to
just
turn
came.
around and go back up.
No, not at all. I just hope we don't get to another part that's too hard.
Like right here where they're all going really slow.
They're just going up on the thing. That's why. Like it's not that bad right here. It might be up there.
That's what I mean, like right where that red
Oh,
thing
there's
is.
some big rocks. Shit.
Fuck.
I think we're gonna stay right. Oh shit. I don't know.
I want to say to go on the jail.
Wait for the Jeep
Yeah,
to
but
go all the way
see,
through.
I would bottom out on
Yeah, probably take the line that he just took.
that. I think. Can I fit in between the big rock and the tree?
Maybe.
All the way
Maybe,
out here.
yeah.
I think this is cool.
Yeah, you can make that though.
Now.
Can I go straight? Try to keep it straight and slow.
We got it.
Nice.
Oh, that's okay. That's just a hitch.
Yeah.
It wasn't the dip. It was definitely the hitch.
Oh, like the axle.
I think it was the hitch because
Well-
we were too far over it for it to be the axle.
My butt felt like
It's all connected.
take it back.
Yeah, man. Take every
Roll some
inch.
speed.
Surf it.
Take every inch. Yeah, at least you weren't that embarrassed for long last night.
Might drag it here. And probably here too.
Yes. Crawl through.
Yeah, we got a lucky spot. That's why they slowed down. Like,
Yeah.
Hopefully, I really don't want to miss it and have to go through the hard shit.
I don't think it'll be.
There's no.
It must be pulled off for a reason.
They saw a lot of Jeeps, so I don't.
Maybe.
Hopefully.
I'm hanging. We're hanging so far.
Alright.
Especially for all trains.
We're holding on.
That's like
All trains kind of suck on.
This would make.
All trains kind of suck on the clay, but
Yeah, for sure.
we're doing pretty good so far.
They're well-rounded top.
You're doing pretty good for your first time too. Or
Driving's not the hard part. It's just,
Yeah.
it's all about the truck. Like anybody can
Yeah.
do this.
Yeah.
Especially since I have like experience, well, even like four-wheeling and,
And-
stuff.
and
I've
it's
been
just-
doing that my whole life.
do you have the nerve to
Yeah,
drag the
I'm-
bottom?
Yeah, you have to. Or you have to lift it, which I should do. This is just gonna make me want to lift it more than
Yeah, well, neither one of us have very much driving experience in
Off-road.
cars off-road, but
It's
I've been riding dirt bikes and four-wheelers since I was 4 on trails like this.
same
Yeah.
concept.
Yeah,
Especially
and
if
obviously racing cars.
Yeah, like I'm comfortable with getting sideways
Yeah.
and stuff. I'm not afraid of it. Are they hitting the rock or going around it behind us?
They went around.
They went
That's what I
around.
figured, they're not.
I'll record. I'll get you guys in the video.
Well, thank you.
slide into it, I don't think.
We didn't.
That was good.
Thought it was.
If I would have went right, I think I would have slid in.
I don't know. I didn't. I didn't get that good of a look.
Step.
You looked too narrow on the left, but you made it. That's not bad. That's a skid plate because you can hear it spring back.
I got snacks. Thank you though.
I was talking about the dog when I said it. That's what I
loves
heard.
it.
So yeah.
He goes nuts.
I think if we get up to the road, then just turn left.
Yeah,
If there's the road up here.
if we make it. Yeah, they were going like way up on
Yeah,
that.
he was just all the way.
Yeah, the woman on the four-wheeler.
That'd be cool to install like a cheek camera in the grill so that we can see what's going on right in front of the front bumper.
Oh, like while you're doing it, that would be really
Yeah,
cool.
like your $80 camera.
Yeah. But it wouldn't be.
There's another JL, Rubicon.
No,
But I thought he meant like. What you're
there's no reception to live stream it here.
Not live stream, but I mean like
Or you can play it on your
watch
phone.
while. I'm,
Yeah,
But it's delayed anyway, so
yeah.
like a GoPro wouldn't be helpful.
It would be helpful. You could stop in front of an obstacle and read it.
Yeah, that's true. But I can see, you know.
Oh!
That wasn't.
That's
good.
why you wear seatbelts, kids.
Well, you're not wearing a seatbelt.
That's what he's saying.
Yeah, that's
That
why
was-
you